In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect the Thrustmaster T248 to your PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Thrustmaster T248 on your PlayStation 4 is extremely simple. It is natively compatible, so all that you have to do is make sure that it is properly connected to the console itself. So first, connect the base of the T248 into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 4. So plug the USB cable from the Thrustmaster T248 into a USB port on your PlayStation 4. If needed, connect the paddles and shifter to the T248 base using the provided cables. Once you do this, you will be able to open a racing game that supports racing wheel inputs. So open something like Gran Turismo 7 and you will be able to set up the wheel. So when you go over to the game's input settings or you go over to controls, you will be able to find the T248. Choose the steering wheel input, make sure that it is selected, and now you will be able to customize sensitivity, calibration, force feedback, and of course use the pedals and the shifter. Now, it should work flawlessly. If you are having trouble using it, it could be due to various reasons, so I'm going to help you troubleshoot the issue. First, make sure that you are playing a compatible game. If you open something like GTA, which does not have native racing wheel support, you will not be able to use the T248. Next, make sure that you try restarting the game and the console itself. You can also try swapping the USB port that you are using. So remove it from the original USB port that you connected to and try a different one. If it still does not work, then what I recommend is that you connect it to a PC or laptop temporarily to update the drivers and the firmware. So go over to support.trustmaster.com and here look for T248 and you will be able to download the latest firmware available, which during the time that I'm recording this video is firmware 2.00. Download the drivers, run the executable, and then follow the instructions to update the firmware. Once you do this on a PC or laptop, you can go back into your PlayStation 4, connect the steering wheel once again, and you should be able to use it there. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Thrustmaster T248 to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.